Hey YouTube, what's up? So what you're looking at here is a quad for Anyshitt, my buddy Markie. Man, we've been friends for quite some time. But anyway, he lives out in Cali. Out there it's pretty tough to find spots to fly, so that and you have a lot of flyaways. So we got him set up with a GPS rescue. Yes, you guys are looking at the Tyro 129. Made by Anyshitt, I think it was. Their best work. I promise you. You can see, I ain't bullcrapping. I got another one hanging on the wall. So anyway, Markie, where we're at, bud, is for this quad, you're gonna have to plug it in and wait for the GPS to calculate. It needs 6 before it'll let you arm motors. That's all part of the fail-safe part. If it seems like it's taking forever, just unplug it and plug it back in. Make sure you ain't around no metal or something. You know how the GPS thing goes. Alright, so on your transmitter, what we got is, this is your arm button. That'll arm your motors, cut your motors off, just like on the other one. Up here we have angle mode. All the way up is an angle mode. That is the beeper. Or was that the beeper, and then rescue all the way down. So angle up, beeper in the middle, rescue. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take it over in the field. I got it all set up, everything's ready to run, and we're gonna go ahead and maiden this thing, and then I'm gonna do the GPS rescue. I got a SD in my cart and my goggles so we can see what's going on there, and let's get her out in the field. Alright guys, so we're out here. Let's go ahead and power this thing up. I got a battery in my pocket that's like storage, but you know, storage charge. That way I don't burn my battery. It's on the rig waiting for GPS. So what I've learned to do was set it down. Okay, go ahead and plug it in while it's setting completely flat. And let's wait for GPS now. Turn on the monitor so I can see everything. Alright. And then I kind of like want to stand away from it. So when it picks up, I'll turn the camera back on and we'll get her up in the air. We'll see how long it takes. So not used to another transmitter. As you can see, I'm running the Fly Sky on this. So that was GPS rescued. You see, when we were going out and it snapped itself around and came back, that was GPS rescue. My channel, I'm gonna get dialed in here. We're not on the right channel. Kind of lines and it dimmed out, and I didn't have that before, so just to get it on the right channel, see where we're at. let's go ahead and we're gonna do that again. We're gonna go out and I gotta do it quick because my battery's dying on my goggle, and we're gonna come back. GPS rescue. As you can hear, my goggle battery, so can't play much. That bird wanted to play, didn't he? And I'm in angle mode, but I pitched as much down as I could. I got it where it'll pitch pretty far. Alrighty. Real impressed with that. Thing flies really good. So Mark, I'll go ahead and get it back packaged up there, buddy. And we'll get her sent out there to Cali. Let her breathe some beautiful Cali sunshine. You see, we got it here today, but we're gonna lose it in the next couple days. Yeah, sorry I procrastinated. I get tied up and get caught up on other things. I appreciate your patience, brother, and enjoy. Like I said, remember on your switches, all the way up's angle mode. That's a beeper, like a D-shot beacon. Just don't click and leave that on when the quad goes down. Intermit that, because if you don't intermit this and leave it just on and the motor's going dent, you can burn the motors up doing that. When you're out past, you have to be at least like 500 or plus feet out away from you before the rescue will engage. When you engage at, you just pull that all the way down, let the bird do what it does. It'll come back to you, you'll see. The point of this rescue is it's not something that's going to stay above you and hover and wait for you for a long time. It will just decide to fall out of the sky. All GPS rescue does that. So that's why it's called a rescue. So when you come back, you know, you get it back towards you, you get visual on it. You want to go ahead and just throw it back up in angle mode all the way to the top and take back control of the craft, and you'll be good. So there you have it, brother. We're gonna get her out to you, and thanks again. Appreciate you.